Good morning, my name is Alan Varnham from NMA Agencies. I'd just like to introduce you to the OSM100 bobbin sander. The purpose of the bobbin sander is to clean all these curves. Obviously when you cut these on a bandsaw or a jigsaw, you're left with these saw marks. The purpose of this machine is it removes these so you've got a nice finished surface. Not always easy to sand. So the machine is provided with, as standard, various sanding sleeves. So to change the sleeves, all we do, with the spanner provided, release the pressure and the washers. Washers are supplied with the machine. We can change to a larger diameter, put in the table insert required, keeps this gap to a minimum. Then we can put on the pressure washers, plenty of pressure because this is this that keeps the sleeve on the rubber. And now we can continue with a larger radius.